In this video I'm going to show you how to hide all your videos on TikTok quickly. If you have a lot of old videos and don't want people to see them, this method will save you a lot of time. First, open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and go to Activity Center. Now tap on Manage Post Visibility. Here you'll see all your videos listed. Simply scroll and tap to select multiple videos. You can select as many as you want very quickly. Once selected, tap Next at the bottom. Now choose Only You. Then tap Update. All selected videos will now be private and hidden from others. You can still access them from the lock icon on your profile. And that's it. That's how you hide all your TikTok videos at once. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips.